everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem power of pow. In this we are given even numbers. Okay, so basically there are two types of same questions. In one you need to do the question for even numbers, and in the second one you need to do the question for odd numbers. Okay, so in today's video we would learn how to solve that question for the power of pow for even numbers. Okay, so let's start. Basically in this we would be given a value n, let's say 2. Okay, so basically I need to find the first two even numbers. Okay, so basically the first two even numbers are 2 and 4. Okay, once you find the first two even numbers, then what do you need to do? After this you need to square them. Okay, so that means square. Okay, this is 4 and this is 16. Okay, after finding the square of these numbers you need to add them. Okay, so the output would be 20. So basically you are given a value n, you need to find the natural numbers, even natural numbers between that range, and then you need to square them. After squaring them you need to add them, and the result is your output. Okay, this is your output. So I hope you guys are clear with the question. So now let's move forward to the code part. So what you need to do is, you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school you need to find the problem power of pow even numbers. Okay, so I hope the question is clear. Now let's solve it. Okay, here is the question. Given a single integer n, your task is to find the sum of the square of the first n even natural numbers. Okay, now this was the question and we would be coding it over here. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so let's start. Basically the first thing is I am starting from the numeric value 2. Okay, initially the sum is 0, I do not have any sum. Then I would be applying a for loop, right? Now I need to apply the for loop and get all the, even numbers, right? So 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, n is basically, if I write n over here, so I know in the ending value for range. Okay, so whatever value I am given as an end value, I always get minus 1 of it, right? If I write 11, that means my ending value is 10. So basically if I want to go till n, okay, if I want to go till n, then I need to add one number, n plus 1. Otherwise, if I don't write n plus 1 and if I go for n, okay, so this logic would be n minus 1. Okay, so the loop will stop at n minus 1. I do not want that. That is why I am adding plus 1 over here. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's move forward. Okay, after applying this for loop, next I need to add the sum. Now remember, the sum is the square of the numbers, right? Number star number. Okay, now number equal to number plus 2. Remember, if I have a number, see, initially the number is 2, right? Now the next even number would be 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 plus 2 would be the next even number, that is 6. 6 plus 2 would be the next even number, that is 8, right? So that is why plus 2. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear with it. And finally I just need to return with the value of sum. Okay, now to check if the solution is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, there is an error. Let's check what is the error. Let's see. 1 minute. Okay, return sum. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, now let me click on compile and run. There was a small indentation error. Okay, the compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem power of pow even numbers. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.